In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a video cover on Capcut for free. Okay, have you ever wondered how some creators were able to add some captions like this on their videos, okay, covers? I'm going to show you in this video how to do that with Capcut as is. So what you need to do for me, go to your phone app collection, and then click on your Capcut app, open it, and then click on new project. Okay, select the video that you want to use and then add it. So now our interest in this video is not how to edit video on Capcut, but to how to edit cover videos. Okay, I'm going to go and then click on this, press the right cover here. So don't forget that you have to take these steps in editing your covers after you are done editing your videos, cutting and joining your clips. Okay, I'm going to click on my cover. I'm going to move the videos until it will give me that particular part of the video clips that I want to use for my cover. Okay, and then the next thing I need to do is to click on add text. You're going to see where the right add text at the bottom of my screen here. So I'm going to tap on it. Now a new text is going to pop up on the screen. So I'm going to put in my own caption in that new text position and then edit it. So I'm going to add my captions now, which is 3 things that a logo designers should know in 2024. The center point of my captions should be things that will attract my audience. I'm going to go to my style and every other thing that you want to add on your screen, just like the way you added this text here. And then after this, you are going to go to the top of your screen here. You are going to see where the light save here. So you are going to click on it, and then you are going to save this cover. Okay, immediately you save this cover, you're going to go here and then click on that icon that you see there. That icon will help you to save your video. But remember, I told you that before you go ahead to edit your cover, what you need to do first is to make sure that you have edited your videos on Capcut. So after this, now you edit your cover before saving. So if I save this video now from Capcut, anytime I upload it on Facebook or any other social media, what my viewers will see first is this cover. Is this cover that they are going to see first, not any other thing. Okay, and this cover will show them the captions that I put there, and then let them know what the video is all about before they start watching. And I hope with this your video will get more views and then get more engagement, better than every other ones that you have been posting before. And I hope this video helps. See you on my next video.